So, on my way to the Tappaan something lodge, because I got a package over there. I'm gonna check it out and see what a stay costs. So, it looks nice. So, kookaroo. It's the lodge is from the Sierra Club. Even got a bell. Oh, I like it. Look at that. Wow. Woohoo! My room! So, I am at the Soda Springs General Store, eating a banana, got some coffee, got some resupplies. I'm actually gonna move like a bit further up the road. And it's not going as planned actually. So I sent a package to Soda Spring Tappaan Lodge. I was in the lodge and I thought the store was there also, because that's what it says on the app. The store is not there, the store is like 3 miles further. And my package is in the post office over here, and actually the lodge should take the package from here to there, and now it's closed. So, and the lady from the post office comes at 9. So, and then it's still closed, but maybe she can just pick up the package for me. If not, I have to forward it. Got some little resupply from the nice ladies in there, and yeah, not entirely as planned. I actually wanted to be on trail like 2 hours ago. So, and then get to Sierra City. Yeah, I had to pay more attention on this section actually, because I'd never done this part, and didn't pay much attention to how far things are apart and where to get the resupply. So, yeah. So for Sierra City to Belden and beyond, I have to be very careful what I'm going to do for my resupply. So, but it's an adventure. So, cheers. Okay, they found my package. It was not at the post office, not at the store. It's in the Tappaan Lodge. Just on a place they don't know. So they found it, but now I have to go all the way back. Oh man. Oh, road walking. I'm going back to the Donner ski thing and then the Donner Summit Pass thing. And hit the trail again. It's a pretty short distance, so I'm not gonna bother to take a hit because they're just going too fast over here. So I do some extra miles. Uphill. Never shall we die. Yeah. I just crossed this very busy road instead of going to the underpass. The underpass is just flooded, it's like ankle deep. So no, I don't want wet feet today. So okay, back to the trail. Let's see where it is. Oh, very big toilet building. Yeah, that's a bit different than a pit toilet. Look at that. It's huge. Oh, the Grubb Hut. I'm here together with Karsten, and we're checking the hut out. Closed. So as you can see, there's some scary little clouds coming up. So you see they're stacking up, and it's usually looking at the clouds is like hail and maybe some thunderstorm in it. It's getting pretty dark. So yeah, not looking good. for the afternoon. Still walking, and yeah, I'm always walking into the cloud. It's a bit of hailing, a little bit of snowing, just a bit on and off, and it's getting worse. So yeah, I had a late start today, so at the moment I'm not very motivated to do a lot of miles, especially not in this weather. I walk best in the morning, and in the evening I just don't feel so powerful. And I don't like walking in the afternoon, like between 3 and 5, not my time. After that, okay. Not between 3 and 5, it's just, yeah, that's my my low moment. I'm better at the early mornings. So I see maybe 4 miles or so, and then I call it a day, and then I'll do some more tomorrow. Yay. Oh no, it's already the end of the video, already! So, but no worries, I have a lot more coming up. If you hit this bell icon, you get a notification when I post something new. And please like the video so other hikers and other people can find my videos easy. So that's helping the YouTube, Google stuff, something, engine thing, blah blah blah. So just, yeah, put on a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'm gonna make videos, I'm gonna post them for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.